Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you how to get Roblox Deltas on your phone. So today we're gonna show you how to get it on iPad. The same method work for iPad, Androids, iOS, computers. I mean, if you got a calculator in there, you need to get this thing work on your device. So here is the Roblox, and that's it. So let's just start the process. Go to the website, use any browser, it doesn't matter. And just like that, we need to start downloading. Here we enter our username, so we get the key that link it to our username. You absolutely need that key, otherwise it will not work. Yeah, let's just type our username real quick. Continue, wait for a little bit, and here they give us the key that link it to our account. Well, of course you need to do an offer to get the last 4 digits. It won't take that much of your time. After you get those digits revealed, the downloading will start instantly in your device. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.